Hello there. So how exactly to attach the string cord to the Oculus Go controller? This is funny, but this is probably the hardest thing to set up on the Oculus Go because there are no instructions in the package. So initially you just think that you need to put this here and then add this stopper and then put this back, but it won't work. So the easiest way, I mean it's the pretty much the only way, is to get the string, uh, insert it a bit here and then pull it until it won't come off. So it should be like this, and then just put the lid. You need to find the correct position. I guess it's this one. Yep. And the stopper, you can ignore it or not. You can just add it like this. It won't do a thing anyway. So this is how you attach it. Now I've noticed that this part here still has a bit of play, even with the cord string attached or not. So yeah, this is the downside. Anyway, I hope that this video was useful. If so, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.